So this is Fran, and she's my favorite. She's very soft, and she doesn't run away from me, and she likes to be held, and she's the same color as Charlie. So this is Fran, okay? Look how big they're getting. Let's see if I can catch someone else. Oopsie. That's why they call them chickens. Who's next? Somebody come here, please. This is Levon. Here's Levon. And, oh, Dallas. Oh no, this is Dallas. She is the big quacker. And she has some beautiful feathers going on right now. That's, whoop, there she goes. Woo! Uh-oh, they're escaping. Girls, get in there, girls. Get in there. I have to show you Daphne, because Daphne is getting very pretty too. Here's Daphne. Hi, there's Daphne. And we can't leave without saying hello to Miss Cindy. Hello, Miss Cindy. Look at me. Oh, she is our cinnamon queen. There she is. Say goodbye with my big foot. Okay. That is what's going on in the cook garage. I'll show you their pen here. Oh, oh, somebody's trying to escape. Get in there. No, see, that is Fran, and she's my little pal, and she's trying to escape. So, say goodbye, ladies. Until next time. Give a kiss. Give a kiss. Somebody give a kiss. Nobody's going to give a kiss to my phone? Oh, Levon. Mwah. Okay. Bye, everybody. Until next time.